Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below in the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also, make sure to go down in the description and sign up for GRVT, who have partnered with this month. They're offering some big airdrop and reward incentives for using their platform in the description below. So go get involved with that, along with the other links. Loads of free money and opportunities on the table. So go sign up below to everything. And also finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well, and we can get you sorted out with that. Right now, as we can see, Polygon is basically having a really nice back test into its range low of its bear market. Honestly, I've been having some really weird stuff going on with my trading view recently. That didn't look like I was drawing there at all, did it? But anyway, as we can see, we're basically taking a good look at Polygon on our weekly time frame, looking like we're coming down again to retest into our basically our bear market range low. I've been averaging into Polygon and amongst other cryptos over the past few years. You can see here, obviously, just buying in continually month after month into this. We're finally coming down into an area of basically finally retesting the range low that we came down to towards 30 cents. You can see quite clearly here that Polygon is basically having a little chill right now down here at the range low. Very, very interesting spot indeed at around 30-40 cents after looking like it was breaking out of its bearish downtrend that we've been stuck under for a good while. You can see it here on the daily time frame. We've been stuck under this resistance for a while. We've got that break above, as you can see, and then the full retrace of that bounce, but looking like we could be forming potentially this huge W double bottom pattern. You can see these massive bullish divergences coming in here. People are getting way too overextended to the downside, in my opinion. That doesn't mean that we can't go lower, but in my opinion, we are not going to be seeing that much crazy downside from here. As far as I can tell, you can see here that Polygon is basically just coming down into this area of structure down here, and really, in my opinion, we could be looking at a big reversal soon. We are getting really, really overextended, and overall, you could be looking at a crazy bullish divergence on the weekly if we do come down and close a new swing low down here. This week we'll have to see what happens, but overall I do think Polygon and the whole altcoin market really way too overextended to the downside, and much more likely to reverse to the upside than continue down, in my opinion. Right now we're still chilling and waiting for this to happen, but as I said, we're just waiting for Bitcoin to basically come up, sort its life out, so we can see some more upside for not only Polygon but the whole altcoin space. Like and subscribe for more.